Hey guys, welcome back. So I accidentally uh, came across this video. So YouTube recommends me to watch this video. Let's go ahead and watch. So this rain dance apparently ended a drought.
The Africa Dance Show.
Look at that pose. I just watched this like 2 minutes back. Like, how is this even possible? Oh my God! What kind of balance would you, man? So just standing on your feet like that is difficult. Now she has suspended her whole body, and I think the where is she finding the balance, man? At this point, where is the center of gravity in this pose? I don't understand. This is confusing physics. So where is the equilibrium, the center of gravity? It's defying physics, man. Gravity defying dance. That's what you call it. Oh my god, seriously. I thought the Zauli. I'm sorry. The Ivory Coast. That was difficult. Now looking at this, look at the. It's as if this whole thing is not even like trembling. It doesn't shake or see how smooth that she got up as if she was sitting on a bench or comfortably or something, you know what I mean. It is, I'm having trouble understanding the physics. And is that even possible, man? Just like effortless. Ooh, effortless. This is unbelievable, man. So the dancer is Kitty Fetla. I don't know how many years or decades she practiced for this. See, what is I am unable to understand. Like, there's so many things that are happening. So first of all, doing the pose itself is difficult. Like I can't even stand like that. Now she's sitting comfortably like that. Not only that, look at how she gets up as if she's. Oh my god. Probably the most shocking thing in a dance that I've seen in my life, dude. So it was inspired by the magical queen Mojaji. I'm not sure. Oh, that's tough. So this rain dance is performed by the Balo Bedu people from the south of Africa. It resembles the Russian ballet dance slightly. but I'm not sure if this is an older dance or the ballet is. I would think that probably this one is older because okay, day zero looms large. I need to watch that again. Oh, she looks very effortless. So this is what so like just 2 weeks after Kitty Phetla dancing during a 2-year draw, it started raining in South Africa. That is unbelievable. Two-year.
If you like informative and educational videos on Africa, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to catch all our latest videos. And please feel free to.
This is unbelievable. Oh, I'm still trying to understand, like, where is the center of gravity in this? And the way the this is just watching the dance makes me tired, man. Unbelievable. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching this. Let me know if you like the dance, the magical rain dance by Kitty Phetla from South Africa. Bye bye.